Hello everyone. Nature always holds wonders that amaze us. Join me as we explore a part of it and see how many of these marvels you've witnessed firsthand. Let's get started. Autumn, the season of stillness, the time for those typical golden leaf rainstorms that happen in most countries. However, in contrast to this quiet time, fall is actually a lively season on the beaches of Florida. This is a special natural event that happens in the fall along Florida's coastlines, when millions of mullet fish move along the shore to spawn, creating one of the most impressive natural phenomena in the area. During this time, diving with the mullet schools is a popular activity for many people. Gathering in large schools is a primal defensive behavior in animals, helping them to ward off or distract predators. But of course, this strategy doesn't always work. When gathering in a crowd no longer works, running away is the best solution.
Holy cow!
And sometimes the hunter becomes the prey. The laws of nature will spare no one.
Look at this! Wow! Awesome, guys.
Alam, grabihan nyo! Sana, punpun! Punpun! Ano, jagahan na, Jo!
Not only small schools of fish, diving with the ocean's large but gentle predators is also an experience you cannot miss. What do you see in the eyes of these giants? When people are in harmony with nature, that is the most wonderful thing. A rare sighting was recorded off the coast of Provincetown, Massachusetts.
Wow! Oh my god! That was awesome. So cool! Did you get that, please?
Thrilled, surprised, and excited, kayakers have experienced it all.
Oh my God! Oh, you beauties.
Oh my god!
The impressive Big GI undersea tornadoes every October. Barracuda, a fish famous for its scary appearance and ferocious behavior. Port Jackson shark, a type of bull shark that is usually nocturnal. school of catfish looking for dinner. Anyone with trypophobia should consider watching this.
They're all right there, yeah.
Coquina's interesting feeding behavior follows the waves. Not only under the sea, animals on land also have similar behaviors. Murmuration of starling is one of the most common behaviors. What do you do when you see millions of dollars flying through your window? If you don't stop them, 3 seconds later the vine will disappear. Annual migration time of bats in Gunung Mulu National Park, Sarawak. A wonderful sight of cranes in Jiangsu Sudan Crane Nature Reserve, China. This army of weevils can take away all the farmer's efforts after each harvest, if the grain is not carefully preserved.
What the?
It's not pollen. What you're seeing is absolutely a mosquito tornado.
Move it.
These spider webs are a nightmare in some areas of Australia. The spawning season of the Kiberian crabs, a rather famous event in Cuba.
Ofel, venga que veas esto. Albertico, yo voy a ver cómo tú vas a entrar. Miren el pasillo, mira, mira. Yo no sé Albertico dónde va a parquear esta noche. Albertico. Mira, esta es la puerta que hace Albertico, mira. Para que se lo manden para allá a Darling para que lo vean. Mándale esto a Darling.
Not only beautiful and mysterious, nature also contains terrible powers that humans cannot control. Incredible footage of an underwater earthquake recorded at Banda Beach, Indonesia in November 2023. Fortunately, there was no tsunami. Volcanoes are also a geological activity that often accompanies earthquakes. Iceland, the land of fire and ice. A fire tornado was filmed tearing apart a house near Tennant Creek, Northern Territory. Lightning, an unstable source of energy that humans have always wanted to exploit. Incredible lightning strikes during a storm in Dubai on October 26, 2023. The dry weather has caused forest fires to start in Anxi Mountain. Massive rock slide in Zion National Park on November 2023.
¡Mierda, mierda, mierda! ¡Se cayó! ¡Mierda, se cayó! ¡Mierda!
The tree looked like it had been swallowed by the ground. Massive flash floods were recorded in Ichino's-cho, Wajima City, Ishikawa Prefecture after the earthquake on January 3, 2024. Collapse of glacier domes in Antarctica. Hot springs on the Hyongtang Plateau. Winter in Seelamu Lake always brings wonderful things to surprise you. Ice waves in Chicago. Iceland, known as the land of fire and ice, has many unique wonders that will make you wonder if they are real. Snowy mountains from a drone. Taklamakan Snow Desert. Zanda County, Tibet Autonomous Region in the snowy season. Chayantong River and the magical trees created by the tides. Geysers of the Hakadalur geothermal area. This is one of the most famous geysers in Iceland, erupting every 4 to 8 minutes at a height of 15-20 meters, sometimes up to 40 meters high. When the currents are not strong enough to spray out of the water, it creates a beautiful sight at Geyser Lake. Strange stone columns at the Earth Pyramids in Rhenon, Alto Adige, Italy. Danyang Grand Canyon in Chongqing, China.
"这是什么玩意这个？啊？怎么老是想我冒东西？哇，这越来越厉害了吗？看这个。
它一直往喷，谁说不停呢？你看。
还比较浮夸着呢。
This is all chicken of the woods. Plates of fruit so furious. I mean,
The wild's so beautiful. How long can they be used with your family?
and looks like someone has been foraging it here already, which is great because they left me some for reference. That's like 150 pounds of chicken of the woods.
Strange cloud in Toronto on September. Is this chemtrail? that beautiful sea of clouds at Wukong Mountain.
Wow! 真的来了！真的来了！哇塞！我真的来了！
When you do not pay your water bill in full. Here is the ending of the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.